Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up recurring subscription payments on your PayPal site. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, you need to simply go and log in into your PayPal business account. So once you have simply logged in into your PayPal business account, you need to click on the subscription section. Once you tap on the subscriptions, under the accept payments, you need to click on create plan or get started. You need to fill in the details for your subscription product, such as name, description, and your ID as well. You need to define your pricing plan, including a trial period, set up fees, and the billing cycle, example like daily, weekly, or monthly. Once you have done this, you can create a button or link for the subscriptions to be created. And after you have done this, you can customize the button's appearance and options and add this to your site. Embed the generated button or share the link on your website, social media, or in your marketing email. This is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.